Today I'm going to be reviewing this magnetic charging station. So this is a really cool concept. So basically what it does is it can wirelessly charge your phone, your AirPods, and your Apple Watch all at once. So this is what the packaging looks like. So it comes with a couple slips on how to use it. Here's one piece it comes with. It does come with a charging block for the station. I love when things come with that because a lot of items just come with cords these days and not charging blocks. I don't feel like I have enough for all my items. So it's got the USB port for the actual device itself, and there's the charging end. And then the last piece is the main part. So this is what it looks like. So this would be for your phone. I'm gonna guess this is for your AirPods. And this is kind of cool. It's got different charging ports. So each of those ports is a different type. So you can charge different types of devices. And then this is the USB that plugs into the port or into the block that I showed. It's nice that there's a protective cover over this for travel. And then there's a couple more ports in the back as well for different types of charging. So this seems really nice. So we're going to try it out and I will show you how it works. Okay, so I did attach this part into this open space here. And so basically what this is you can put the charger for your Apple Watch in here and then wrap the Apple Watch around it. And then like I said, this is for your AirPods. This is the wireless station for your phone. And then there's all different types of ports for other devices you might have to charge, which I really like that it includes this. I've seen a lot of ones that have, just the charging pad, the AirPods, and the watch. I didn't know it was going to have this attachment as well. So that's really cool because there's a lot of other things. I feel like I said, like a lot of things don't have blocks to them anymore. So it's kind of nice that you don't need a block and you can charge all of these things at once. So that's really awesome. So this is what everything looks like set up. I do just have mine plugged into an extension cord just because that's the closest outlet to me right now. But I do like that what this is it takes away a lot of your cords that you would be having for a lot of these devices. You do have to have a cord for the Apple Watch charger, but what I like is all of this plugs into one block. So if I didn't have this extension cord, I could plug all of this into one wall USB and I would be all set. So basically what I did was I took the Apple Watch charger, stuck it in the back here, and there's like places where you can kind of clip in the cord to keep it flush, and then plugged it in the back of the device here where this other USB port was. So that's really cool. So this spot here is for your AirPods, and mine actually charged perfectly on here without my case. But just a tip is that there's another port here that matches this one as well. So if your AirPods don't fit with this and you don't feel like taking your case off, you can actually just stick them on here as well, which that's why I really like all these extra ports and stuff. You see it turns on green. I had no problem plugging it in here, but I did have to take the case off. So this is a little bit more convenient, but you'll see how it contours nicely here. Maybe with a different case, like if it was silicone or something. Here you can rest it just won't charge, but it charges perfectly here. So that's really not a problem at all. And it charges perfectly if I take the case off. So that's really cool. And then I'll show you how the Apple Watch attaches. So I showed you how I set up the charger here, and I've been wearing my watch a decent amount, and I'm just going to set it there like that. I like how sleek and everything it looks. I do have a iPhone with a MagSafe charging on the back, so even with my case on, I can charge it on this part as well. That is what I'm filming on though, so I can't really show that right now, but it charges perfectly as well, and I can fit all three products on there at once. And then there are other pieces here if I wanted to plug other things in, or I could take off my case and then move it here. But this is an all-around really good product, very versatile. I like the sleek black look, and it really eliminates a lot of the different cords and stuff that you might have to use if you had, a million and one blocks in this little charging port or a bunch of cords. This is a lot more sleek and a lot less stress.